Hello children, welcome again in English class. In our previous class, we had studied this lesson, The Little Plant. In English literature, we had studied this lesson, Little Plant, and it is a poem about a seed, how it grows up into a plant. I hope you all have remembered it. It is a very small poem by Kate Louise Brown. Okay children, we had done first exercise of this chapter. Today we are going to do some more exercises. Turn the page and come to the page number 2 of this lesson. We had already completed true and false. If you have not done it, please see the last video. In that we had done this exercise. Today we are going to do exercise number 2. Answer the following questions. Okay children, you have to write the answer in the book itself. Please don't do this work in the copy, do it in the book only. Okay, question 1 is, what is the title of the poem? Title means what is the poem name. So what is the title of the poem? The title is The Little Plant. Okay children, write down The Little Plant. Okay, what is the name of the poet? Who has written the poem? Kate Louise Brown. Okay, write down the name of the poem and the poet name. Okay children, now the next exercise is vocabulary. In this, the first exercise is you have to write the past form of the given words. Some words are given and its past form is given in the poem. You have to write the past words from the poem. The first word is rise, and if you will go through the poem, you will see the past form of rise is rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Bury. Past form of bury is buried. B-U-R-I-E-D. Say. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. Hear. Heard. H-E-A-R-D. Heard. Lie. Lay. L-A-Y. May. Might. M-I-G-H-T. Okay children, these are the present form and these are the past form. Please write it in your book. Next exercise is, you have to match the column words in column A with their opposites in column B. Okay, here some words are given and its opposites are given here. You have to see which word is the matching of the word here. Okay, and write the answer here. First is inside, inside under, then its opposite is outside, that is bahar. Okay, awake, jagna, then asleep. Dull, its opposite is bright. Light, its opposite is dark. Tiny, small, and its opposite is huge. Huge means very big. Okay, so spellings you can see here and write the answers here. This is the work that we will do, and some exercises you will do in the copy. Children, you have to make a separate copy for English work. Okay, you will make a separate copy for English work. In that copy you will start from lesson number 1. You have done some exercises in English language also. You can do this work in that copy also. Write down lesson 1, the little plant. Okay, word meaning. First question is word meaning. Okay, so you have to write the meaning of the given word. First word is tiny, Tiny, tiny. The meaning of tiny is very small. Tiny, very small. Buried, Buried, buried. Buried means put deep into the ground. किसी भी ground में, ज़मीन में नीचे दबाना. जैसे seed को हमने दबाया था, we had put the seed into the ground, deep into the ground. That is called buried. Creep, Creep, creep. Creep means move slowly. धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ना. Bright, Bright, bright. Bright means shining. There are 4 words and you have to write the meaning. Please do all the work in the separate copy. Okay, children? Don't do anything in the classwork copy, just make a separate copy for it. Write all the word meaning and then put the line like this, and there are some questions that you have to write. These are question and answer. First question is, who was sleeping in the seed? Who was sleeping in the seed? Who was sleeping, children? A little plant. A little plant. Question 2 is, what do the plant need to grow? What do the plant need to grow? What are the 2 things that plant need to grow? We had studied in the poem, that is sunlight and water. Sunlight and water. Now question number 3 is, what did the plant see when it rose? What did the plant see when it rose? What did the plant see when it woke up and rose? It saw the wonderful world. The wonderful world. Okay, children? Please do all this work in the separate copy. Rest of the exercise, that is the grammar portion, we will cover in our next class.